Hey you guys, I hope all is well with you guys. What's going on in the garden? I kind of did a snippet of other stuff, but anyway, in another video. But this is our fall garden. My husband is replanting the bok choy that we planted, I guess about a month ago or so. I don't remember. We just put fertilizer in here and he put new soil in here because it needed it. So everything has new soil in it. We getting ready to plant some seeds, and I want to document this because it helped me to remember what is what. But I knew this was bok choy because of the look, and I tasted it. So I guess it's gonna be our bok choy bed. We got to get some collard greens in here. We're gonna do some tomatoes. This is our planting season here in Florida. Like, yeah. Can you pop off that piece? It don't look good. Oh, I don't have my gloves. So yeah. And then here we have some kale and turnips. This is our second year doing turnips. And I only knew that because I tasted the leaf. Some kale and some bok choy regrowing from last year. So yeah. And then we have this. This is what we had this summer. These peppers, and they're still, coming along. I wanted to make some hot sauce. What is that? Oh, and we got some peppers. Oh, I see. I'm gonna show y'all our elephant plant. So beautiful. And then we got the what is that? Yucca. And we have a Scotch bonnet over there growing. I don't know if you guys can see all that. I can't really see because of the sun. Y'all see them little red things? Those are the peppers. Then we have our tropical, like it has taken over. My husband planted these pineapples, and then we got the papayas, which we got 2 up there that done gone 3. So, yeah. Back to this. So this is gonna be bok choy. Bok choy and what is that?
Yeah.
Callaloo. Chloe wanted to help. She eating though.
Alright, that one's done.
That one's fine, or
I guess so.
do it need to be transplanted?
Some needs to be transplanted though. This.
That's one big planting. Probably should leave that. Get the little ones.
I think
They fine.
these might be fine. No. These ones will grow up a little bigger.
Yeah, it's a root. That's the main thing with this.
Let them get them grow off too. Alright, just
Let's
let
get
them
the
grow.
seeds. Okay, you guys. I'm gonna put these collard greens here. Guaranteed to please. This is true leaf. I think I bought these for sprouting, but 86%. So yeah, we're gonna plant these in this first bed here. Collard greens.
What time it is?
Worm.
Third.
We gotta get that owl again. What happened with it?
Alright. Who's next?
Alright. Let's go on to the next.
I'm running it dead center.
Dead center for the cabbage. Red leaf cabbage. In here, what is this other stuff we planted?
I don't know what that you had planted. I don't remember. You bought them from online or something. I don't know what it is. I really don't. So you want me to put the cabbage in here?
Mm-hmm. We got to get those turmeric out. You see how they turn out? I don't want them to go bad. We got some pineapples in this bed too.
I ain't gonna let them spread.
Do we have another space or no?
For what?
Put some else in here. Or
No.
no? Putting tomatoes in this third bed.
All right.
And the last bed, tomatoes.
Let me have.
I'm gonna put, hold on. I'm gonna put some of those Roman tomatoes. It's our main tomato.
Where's the other tomato you said?
Okay, hold on.
I'd love to try that one.
This is a watermelon beefsteak. They gave me that free.
Let's see.
Close finish you. Sound like I heard the door.
Something over there. Where is human today?
This is the Golden Queen tomato here.
Golden Queen. Alright, tell you what. I'll take some of those seeds and mix these babies up. Mama,
It's not that much.
look here.
That was a gift. So you're just trying them out. Not gonna give you a whole pack.
Why in the heck did you pay for more than the whole pack?
No, that was free.
No, I'm saying when you order the plant.
A lot of people don't give you stuff for free. I think this is the tomato you like.
Which one
This
is
is a Cherokee tomato.
that? Yeah, seriously,
I think this is it.
they are delicious.
Oh my God.
What?
I need a rag.
You need a what? You need my ride? Or
This is a brandy wine pink tomato. Wow, we got. Man, that's
this is gonna be enough for me to have the transplant. Oh. Money dropping out, but well,
I think this is the one you like.
doesn't matter, sweetie. I'm just don't worry about it.
We'll do
Any
this.
tomato cut up nice in the salad, that's good.
Let's do this one.
Yeah. Where that one gonna go? Because there's too much in here now.
Down there. Remember?
Okay.
In the end. There's some on my back, bruh.
No, but wet.
It's nice, but it's nice. It's nice, but it's nice.
When you put a button there, that's questionable.
This is a cabbage.
Anytime you talk about something, you put a button there, remember that. That means you being questioned.
I didn't put a butt.
You said but. It must be hard.
Oh, I said, oh, here's the collards. Man, how we gonna forget this?
That's why we just planted in the first bed.
No.
And we put collard greens in the first bed.
Well, this is the big collards. We're gonna put them
Where you putting them? Because what did we put in there?
tomato.
In this bed? We ain't put nothing in this bed.
Oh, well, how we skip?
You said let's put the tomato on the end.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
Here. Some more left in here.
Do we need to put some more tomatoes?
No.
I want a lot of tomatoes.
You do. Alright, I can put some more potatoes down here. You got any big ones? Big red ones or whatever?
Hold that. I think that's the one you like. Go ahead and do
It's
that.
alright. Okay.
I think I have no beef steaks. Ooh, bruh. We're gonna put these kale.
Mama, this ain't nothing to work with what you're dealing with right now. That's why I'll be taking two shirts to work.
Yeah. We're gonna put this kale blue curl Scott in this 1,000 head. Y'all, this look like a collard green, don't it? We grew these last year and the year before. Really nice.
Alright, what are we putting in now?
Those two. Nice.
Putting in these two in here.
This is going into the fourth bed. Here we got tomatoes, different tomatoes. We never tried, well, I don't know. And you know that, you see how big that big one gonna be, so put that on the outskirts, I guess. Or put it in, I don't know, whatever you think.
We're gonna try and plant them anyway. So.
They're huge. Whew, honey child. Getting this vitamin D. I'm used to kind of in the control, you know. Getting some. I mean, I'm really getting a lot of good vitamin D today. It's been raining here, so I'm so thankful for it. Been raining here all week. All right, you got those seeds? Got me some coconut water. Oh, you okay? I had to get me some coconut water, bro.
Really?
Coconut water break.
Huh?
You gonna put the other one in?
What door?
Whew.
Maybe don't do that.
I had to go take a break, y'all. I was overheating up out here, bro.
Me too.
Whew. Drunk me
Which one
some
you want over
coconut
here?
water.
Which one you want over here?
Hey.
The only way you get more sun here is I cut the main tree back.
Oh no.
No, I don't want you to do
I think the kale grew there before.
All right, which
No.
the kale? You got which one needs the kale?
Oh, those are lettuce. I
That's the lettuce.
apologize.
I
Go,
don't know,
watch it,
let's
watch
make
it.
one
Sorry.
shade.
Okay.
I don't know. You want to try them?
Yes.
Anyone?
Uh-huh.
Can you hold on
Go
one
hold
more?
up.
You see, you got one coming up right here.
What?
If not, I
Oh,
would have cut it.
the fruit.
Yeah, so I don't want to cut
Look, there's one here too.
Wow. I see.
Y'all see the
This
sour sap?
Whoa, I almost fell in.
Y'all see it right there.
Yeah, it's not for the
Look at this one.
it. Is it can open up?
It's a big one
Let me see.
right here.
Oh, okay.
Don't have no.
Woo!
Got quite a bit up in the top, so.
Ooh, yeah, I can see some up here. A lot. More up
you
there.
see, let them bad boys come to perfection.
Where's
Yes.
the girl?
Ooh, look at that one up there. It's a,
Look at that. It's open.
yeah, that one open. It's a flower.
You want to pour 'em?
Yeah.
Yeah. Don't pour too much.
You got on gloves?
No.
Okay, you can pour it, but I don't want you because I put that fertilizer.
Yeah, just pour them out
You
a
can-
little bit. Shake them out a little bit.
Did we
I got
put
a bit.
anything in this
I
one,
got a
baby?
bed.
Huh?
Huh?
Did we put anything in this one?
And then I do
You gotta go all the way down. But be careful, don't put too much in there. We didn't put anything in here yet.
And I ain't bring no more seeds.
Okay, that's good. Don't put no more there.
We'll leave this one for transplanting for some stuff.
Alright. I already got another. Here.
Or put some of those in there, the other bed. The other, this one over here. What is
I only
that?
put one in here so far. That's it? One cap. You said that was lettuce?
Lettuce.
Okay, I only put one in here. Where you want to put the other one in here too?
Put another one of these.
So don't put the other one in here.
You could put. I don't know what you think we should do.
Let's mix them up.
Okay.
That one said corn salad.
Corn salad.
I'm cooking.
Alright, then. Like you said, let's leave that bed for transplanting.
You hugging me?
Yeah.
Child, I've been out here working today. All morning. Well,
What
not
are
all
those?
morning.
What are those things over there?
Alright, Mama. I took care of your garden. I'm going to take care of my stuff.
Thank you, Poppy.
What is that over there?
What?
No, don't come and grab a lofty scale on this side.
What you see?